But unfortunately, no one has ever told us that idea matters. The purpose of education is not to produce men and women who can imitate things, who can repeat things. The purpose of education is to produce men and women who can create, invent and innovate things. We have produced millions of young people and children who can read and write and criticize and talk, but they don't know how to add value in the society. This education is not helping us to become change makers. This education is helping us only to become followers. Because there is no way we are going to become change maker if we are not going to practice change making. Is it true or not?
Yes.
Just look at the way we define intelligence. Our education institutions are promoting a very passive form of intelligence. This intelligence is defined by your exams, by your grades, by your academic perfection. This intelligence says, what do you know? It doesn't say, what do you do with what you know? By memorizing things, by performing academically well, will not guarantee that you will become a change maker. We need to add another kind of intelligence in the list of intelligences. And I call this intelligence a change-making intelligence. Change-making intelligence is the mother of all intelligences. Why it is so? Because this is the only intelligence which is measured by your impact on the society. It is not measured by your academic performance. You see the difference? And I personally believe that one day of change-making is better than 1,000 days of passive education. And for me, when you ask me this question, how do we define education? I believe that we need to redefine education in this country. Because we define education in terms of acquisition of knowledge and skills. My definition of education is your ability to add value in the society. I define education in terms of your ability to turn your idea into reality. And for me, the highly educated person is the one who turns his idea into reality for greater good. There are moments in life which change the course of your life. And I hope this is your moment now. Can you see this? This is what is happening. Most of us are very happy to follow all the inventions, all the good work done by others. But unfortunately, we never put ourselves in the driving seat. Just look at how empty the road is. Every time when someone creates something, all of us follow. Which route would you like to take? Which road would you like to take now? On the right or on the left? On the right? Are you sure?
Yes.
How will you start this? The only thing which is required is doing better. You can become a change maker at this stage. There is no age restriction, there is no economic restriction, there is no gender restriction. Most of the times, when we talk to young people, we seek compliance from them. We say, sit down, listen to me, don't talk, follow me. This is how we define a brilliant child, brilliant student, right? Is this true or not?
Yes.
So unless and until we seek innovation from you, we will never be able to get innovation from you. Tell me, show me the rule.